In this meditation, we are going to collapse the timeline. While others are competing for attention, you are becoming the only option. By the time this meditation ends, the person on your mind will feel an irresistible urge to clear the path, delete the distractions, and finally claim you publicly. The more you listen to this, the easier and more powerful it will become. Now let's begin. Take a deep breath. Right now, as you hear my voice, a massive shift is happening in your energetic field. You didn't click this video by accident. If you are ready to be the only one they see, stay with me until the very last second. The final minute contains the frequency shift that seals this manifestation. Now close your eyes. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 8. Feel the weight of the world dropping off your shoulders. You are entering a sacred space where only your desires exist. Now repeat these affirmations in your mind or out loud and let them vibrate through your chest. I am their ultimate choice. I am their ultimate choice. They are removing everything that isn't me. They are removing everything that isn't me. My energy is a magnet that pulls them into the light of our connection. My energy is a magnet that pulls them into the light of our connection. They are proud to claim me in front of the world. They are proud to claim me in front of the world. All competition has faded into the background. I am the only one left. All competition has faded into the background. I am the only one left. Tonight they realize I am their entire world. Tonight they realize I am their entire world. Now imagine your person sitting in a quiet room. See them looking at their phone. They see the noise, the people who don't matter. Watch them now. They are hitting a wave of clarity. They feel a physical ache to be with you. See them hitting delete on everyone else. See them clearing their energy. Now feel the shift. Feel the relief of being chosen. Feel the warmth of them holding your hand in public, telling everyone, this is mine. Hold that feeling. It is done. Breathe deep one last time. You are the prize. You are the one. Now softly open your eyes. You have shifted your reality. To lock this energy into the physical world, type claimed in the comments below. This signals to the universe that you are ready to receive. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And to accelerate this manifestation and make them truly obsessed with you, head over to joybyjanell.com right now to download my free obsession spell. This is the secret key my most successful clients use to get instant results. Go to joybyjanell.com and claim your power now. I also have other tools there specifically designed to bring your person back into your arms permanently. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.